Assessing the damage from the storm. Look at my watermelons. Look at these little babies. Look at this little baby fruitlings. Look at this garbage. See how that works? It's the size. Hang on, I gotta get my hand in there. The size of like my thumbnail. Look at this. That's a baby watermelon. Ah! Look at this guy. See the flower right here? That's where the guts of the watermelon could come right out of this doohickey right here. Like it opens, blossoms out, like I said in the other video about the zucchini. And we had a cucumber yesterday. It was so sweet. It tastes like sugar, man. Oh my, the sweet potatoes I think are getting ready. They're starting to die off. That means their tubes are growing. See how that works? Speaking of reproductive flowers. Look at this watermelon doohickey right here on the fence. I'm trying to train them to grow up the fence. See how that works? Look at this garbage. That one's a little bigger. Look at that. Huh? And wait till you see my potatoes. I'll walk over there. Oh man, the storm got them. Look at these. But look at these vines growing to the watermelon. See how that works? Wait till you see my potatoes. Oh my, the storm. You can see how the fucking leaves are down. We had hail. Took off one of my friend's door knot, or what do you call it? Side view mirror got ripped off their car. We got hit hard. I'll show you the potatoes anymore. I just got attacked by a wasp because I got a wasp nest down the road there in the fucking woods. See how that worked? It just flew in my hair. Look at this, my potatoes. We had high winds, lightning, thunder, etc. Look, my teepee's gone. Look at this garbage. I was outside dodging lightning bolts, talking about the dark arts, and then they blew down my freaking potatoes. Look at this garbage. Look at all the leaves from the tree. Wow. It's fucking with my potatoes. See how that worked? Look at this garbage. Look, I'm tripping over my own teepee. See how that worked? For those that have been watching the channel, the potatoes started out underneath my teepee, which has now been blown away. You gotta love Mother Nature. See how that works? Anyways, let's pick this doohickey up. Oh, they're starting to go too. So my potatoes are getting ready. See how they're dying? That's how you know they're getting ready. They're getting ready to be harvested, so stay tuned. And I'll be planting more. See how that works? You gotta have potatoes year round. Or not. You can starve to death if you guys want. Look, it's laying on my potatoes. Look at this garbage. You cocksucker. Look at it. Shit's heavy too. Look at it. Squish one of my potatoes. Look at this asshole. It's over there now. Look. Holy mackerel. Good thing. Oh man, good thing these are close. They were freaking ripe. See how that works? Wagschicago gardening with the scarecrows there. He didn't do a good job last night. See how that worked? I had to be out there myself. See, at 3 a.m. by the way.